Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we discuss about how fish is falling during rains. Okay, let's enter into our content. Actually, there is no chance to leave any other creature on the clouds is impossible. Air spins at high velocity from ground to higher altitudes is known as tornadoes. That tornadoes are when enters into the waters like sea, rivers, ponds or lakes are called as water sprouts. These water sprouts are sucked up or taken water living creatures like fishes, crabs, snakes or frogs at higher altitudes and blown up till airspeed decreases. Mostly in these situations, the temperatures of atmospheres are cooled and rain start falls. When the wind speed decreases, those creatures are dropped down to the ground. According to recent surveys, these types of rains are actually occurred 40 times per year, and these creatures are actually covered in some times with snow inside the clouds, and this is one of the dangerous phenomena. This can damage the car windshields. Okay, thank you. If you like this video, please hit like button and share to your friends. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.